Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group class. As you know that yesterday we have completed our notebook work. So today we will move forward to our book exercise. That is clear to all of you. As you all know that our topic was noun. Okay. So let us move to our exercise. So before starting the exercise, everybody mention the date. Okay. So first you can see here are given exercise. First exercise is here. As you can see, here is written number 1. So everybody mention the today's date. Today is 18/9/2020. So everybody mention the today's date. Okay. So now you can see here. Wait. 18/9. Okay. So now let us read the following passage about Dr. Dolittle, the famous animal doctor. Here is given a passage about Dr. Dolittle. This is the name of a doctor, Dr. Dolittle, the famous animal doctor, and he was a veterinary surgeon. That means he was an animals doctor. Underline the noun in the passage, then put them in the appropriate column in the table given below. As you can see, here are given the places, common, proper, collective noun. So in this passage you have to search the types of noun. Okay, whatever the noun is given is here. जो आपको nouns दिए वहाँ पे आपको underline करनी है जहाँ भी दी गई हैं. और उसके बाद if your noun is common noun, then you will write here comma, use comma. Suppose you have there are given 10 common noun, so you write first common noun, then comma, then next comma, then next comma, then next comma. And when I will provide you PDF, today I will provide you PDF, so I will also write here. अभी मैंने नहीं लिखा है क्योंकि मैं अभी आपको explain कर रही हूँ. And when I will provide you PDF, then I will write here also. That is clear to all of you. So now read the following passage about Dr. Dolittle, the famous animal doctor. Underline the noun in the passage, then put them in the appropriate columns in the table given below. Listen very carefully. Many years ago there lived a doctor. So doctor, कॉमन नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन, ठीक है, और कलेक्टिव नाउन, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, 4 नाउन है. तो अब यहाँ पे डॉक्टर क्या हो जाएगा? डॉक्टर इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. ओके, सो हम अंडरलाइन वहाँ करेंगे जहाँ पे हमारा दिया होगा. एज आई हैव रिटन हियर सी. सो डॉक्टर इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन. मैनी ईयर्स अगो देयर लिव्ड अ डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर का अगर नेम दिया होता देन वी यूज एट as a proper noun, but here is given a doctor, so we write it as a common noun. In a little town, here is not given the name of town, so town is a common noun. Called Puddle on the March. Puddle on the March is the name of the town, so it is a proper noun. So here you can see doctor is a common noun and town is a common noun, and after that Puddle on the Marsh is proper noun. His name was Dr. John Dolittle. So as you know this is name, so it's a proper noun. ओके, ये क्या हो जाएगी? प्रॉपर नाउन हो जाएगी. ऑल द पीपल इन द टाउन. सो पीपल होता है ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन्स. अ ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन्स इज नोन एज पीपल. सो पीपल इज अ collective noun. That is clear to all of you. And town is repeated, so only underline here. We will not write again and again. Suppose we have written one time here common. हमने यहाँ एक बार कॉमन लिख दिया था. टाउन पहले देखिए आया था, तो अब दोबारा आएगा. सो वी विल ओनली अंडरलाइन दैट पार्ट. हम इसको अंडरलाइन दोबारा करेंगे, बट वी डू नॉट राइट हेयर. लेकिन हम यहाँ नहीं लिखते हैं, ठीक है. दोबारा अगर कोई चीज़ आ रही है सो ओनली मेक अंडरलाइन बट डोंट राइट अगेन. एक ही चीज़ दो बार आपको नहीं लिखनी है. फिर न्यू हिम फॉर ही वॉज वेरी गुड एट क्यूरिंग पीपल. अब देखिए पीपल भी दोबारा आया, सो ओनली अंडरलाइन दैट. Then however the only problem is the abstract noun. So I have written here abstract noun was that he liked animals. Animal is a common noun more than people. Underline only करेंगे और ऐसे ही leave कर देंगे. So इस पैसेज में आपको यही 4 nouns मिलेंगी, common, proper, collective, abstract. As in first para I have told you doctor is a common noun, town common noun. आपको भी अंडरलाइन करनी, ऑल हैव टू अंडरलाइन. Puddle on the March, okay, and then Dr. John Dolittle and people, okay. So I'm repeating again. Doctor is a common noun. Town is a common noun. Puddle by on the marsh is a proper noun. Dr. John Dolittle is proper noun. People is collective noun. And again town underline. Then leave the people. And problem is abstract noun. Animals common noun. And again underline the people. Now come to the second para. Listen very carefully. Dr. Dolittle, it is repeated, so only make underline. Had a small house. House is a common noun. अब किसी के house का नाम रेड विला होता है, किसी का कुछ होता है, so we only underline that and write common noun. Garden, garden is a common noun. I have not given the name of the garden, so it's a common noun. And his garden again underline. He kept all the sorts of pets, यानी कि types of pets. It's a collective noun. मतलब कई तरह के pets हो गए ना. So collection of pets हुआ ना, so collective noun. After that again all his pets is a common noun, would find their way into the house. Okay, house रिपीटेड है तो इसको लीव कर देंगे. सो देयर वर गोल्ड फिश. अब फिश बता दिए कौन वाली, तो पर्टिकुलर फिश बता दी है कि गोल्ड फिश है, सो इट्स अ प्रॉपर नाउन. एंड इन द पॉन्ड, पॉन्ड इज अ कॉमन नाउन. मैंने नहीं बताया कौन सा पॉन्ड है, सो पॉन्ड इज अ कॉमन नाउन. रैबिट्स यानी कि कई सारे रैबिट्स है, कोई पर्टिकुलर नेम नहीं है, सो इट्स अ common noun. Okay, pond is a common noun. Rabbit is a common noun. In his pantry, pantry is a collective noun. Okay, जहाँ पे ये rabbits कहाँ रहते हैं, pantry में रहते हैं, तो pantry is a collective noun. So after that white mice. अब मैंने mice बता दिए कौन सा है, white है, तो ये क्या हो जाएंगे, white mice जो हो जाएंगे वो क्या हो जाएंगे, proper noun. His piano, piano is a proper noun because it's an instrument. अगर instrument लिखा होता तो common noun, but here is given the name of the instrument. पियानो, तो पियानो क्या हो जाएगा, प्रॉपर नाउन. आफ्टर दैट स्क्वायरल, स्क्वायरल इज प्रॉपर नाउन. इन हिज क्लोजेट, क्लोजेट प्रॉपर नाउन. and a hedgehog, hedgehog in the cellar, these both are proper noun. Hedgehog is a proper noun, cellar is a proper noun. He even had a cow, cow is a proper noun because animal is a common noun. Okay, so proper noun. After that old lame horse, lamb horse is also proper noun. However, his favorite pets were Dub Dub the duck. अब duck का name दे दिया Dub Dub. Dub Dub is a proper noun. Jib the dog. Jib किसका name है, dog का है. Here is given a particular name of the dog, so it's a proper noun. फिर है Polynesil the parrot. Polynesil the parrot is proper noun because it's the name of the parrot. And then Tutu the owl. Tutu is the name of owl, so it is also a proper noun. After that his sister, his sister is a common noun. Okay, so we can say, okay, so next as you can see here I have explained this. Okay, now come to the third para. His sister, sister is a common noun because he is not given the name of the sister. And then Sarah Dolittle is the name of her sister, his sister. So Sarah Dolittle is a proper noun. Who lived with him, look after the house. House is repeated, so only make underline. And this one is common noun, this one is proper noun. And after that, who lived with him and looked after the house, was quite exasperated. John, she complained. These were John, again name of doctor, so there is no need to write it again. She complained these pets, pets is also repeated, so leave it. Of yours make the house smelly and dirty. So here you all have seen the common noun, proper noun, collective noun and abstract noun. And I will listen class very carefully. You all will only make underline here. There is no need to write like this. Okay, there is no need to write like this. I have written this only for the explanation that I will explain you. That's why I have written here that only for the explanation. So you all will only write here, and when I will provide you PDF, then I will write here. That is clear to all of you. Okay, move to the next page. As you can see, next page is exercise 2. From abstract nouns, from the following common nouns, use the suffixes alongside with the some changes in the spelling. Okay, so this is exercise 2 and you have to make, here are given some common noun. Child is a common noun, adult is a common noun, king is a common noun and slave is a common noun. So with the help of common noun we make abstract noun and add their hood, ry and dumb. Okay, so child, the abstract noun of child is childhood. Okay, abstract noun for adult is adultery, and these all are common nouns. And king, kingdom we make with the help of these. Okay, slave, slavery, that is clear. Next, exercise 3. Here are given form abstract noun from the following adjective. Here are given adjective brave, kind, free, real. These all are adjective. As you all know what is adjective. Adjective is the quality of a person or thing. किसी भी चीज़ की quality जो होती है is known as the adjective. So here you can see these are the word that you add ry, dom, nes and ty. So brave, bravery, kind, kindness, free, freedom, real, reality. These are the abstract nouns. So brave का bravery, kind, kindness, free, freedom, real, reality. Next one is form abstract noun from the following verbs. Exercise 4. Here is given verb abstract noun and add meant and th, meant and th. So agree. Here are given agree is a verb, treat is a verb, pay is a verb, grow is a verb. So now make abstract noun agree, agreement, treat, treatment, pay, payment, grow, growth. So agreement, treatment, payment, growth. Okay, so these are the abstract noun. Okay, next you can see exercise 5. This is clear to all of you na? How will we make? So here are given, okay, सफिक्स. सफिक्स जानते हो क्या होता है? दैट वी ऐड एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड टू मेक अ न्यू वर्ड. जो हम वर्ड के एंड में किसी भी एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड के एंड में एक जो दिया होता है वर्ड वो ऐड कर देते हैं लास्ट में, और उससे क्या होता है वर्ड का मीनिंग थोड़ा सा चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे चाइल्ड का चाइल्डहुड हो गया, एडल्ट का एडल्टरी हो गया. सो ये सारे सफिक्स हैं जो हमने इसके लास्ट में लगा के ये वर्ड्स मेक किए हैं for making abstract noun. Okay, now come to the exercise 5. As you all have listened the collective noun. So collective noun, here is an complete passage. Okay, what is given here? Wait, write appropriate collective noun in the blanks and complete it. You may choose words from the box given below. Here are given collective nouns. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but here are given 8 blanks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here is one option that you will fill in 2. So now listen according to the sense of your sentence which collective noun is used. This is Raju's form. Beyond the form we can see a जो माउंटेन्स का ग्रुप होता है. देयर आर सो मैनी माउंटेन्स, देन वी राइट हियर रेंज. रेंज ऑफ माउंटेन्स, देयर इज फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. राजू सन उत्तम इज ब्रिंगिंग हिज herd of cows back from the pasture in the mountains. A flock of sheep is grazing at the foot of जो sheep का होता है group is known as flock. Birds का group known as flock. Mountain group known as range. And cows का जो होता है group is known as herd. And sheep का जो होता है also known as flock. And after that a flock of sheep is grazing at the foot of the mountain near the barn. There is a hen with her brood of chicken. Group of chicken is known as brood. Near the dash of trees, group of trees is known as clump. Near the clump of tree, Raju's brother is selling mangoes. He bought the mangoes from the mango grove at the foot of the mountains. Mango grove जो mango के जो trees होते हैं उनका जो group होता है माउंटेन्स. फिर राजू इज फ्लोइंग द फील्ड विद आ डैश ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन जो होती दो ही बैलों के साथ तो जो है जोता जाता है ना, तो उनको क्या बोलेंगे? टीम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ओके, ऑक्सीजन होता है पूरा, तो टीम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. दैट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो फ्रॉम टुडे योर दिस चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड एंड टुमारो वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू आवर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. सो टुडे यू ऑल विल डू today is Friday na? Okay, so today you all will do your work. Okay, today I will provide you PDF in your WhatsApp group and you all will complete your work. Okay, any problem? No problem. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you and have a nice day.